Today, we're going to give an installation tech tip on these Premium Guard oil filters. There are two different vehicles that are affected by this application that could be misrepresented as an oil leak or a defective oil filter. First, let's talk about the Chrysler Dodge Jeep 2.0 and 2.4 motor, where the oil cooler sits between the filter and the engine block. Signs of an oil leak may be caused by the following. Every time you remove the oil filter, there's a possibility of torque loss on the connector bolt, which could then also create a leak at the top or bottom of the oil cooler. Using a 12mm Allen, make sure it's torqued to 35 foot-pounds. If the filter mating surface of the oil cooler is damaged with any scratches or defects, it could create an oil leak or be perceived as an oil filter leak. Oil leaks can also be caused by a damaged upper oil cooler O-ring, and a defective oil cooler can be misdiagnosed as a blown head gasket. If the oil leak persists, we recommend replacing the oil cooler. Here's another issue with the oil pan on a 5.3 General Motors. The oil filter is recessed with limited clearance to the pan, making it very difficult to install the filter by hand and attain the proper torque. We have found that tightening the filter by hand may not be sufficient to attain the proper gasket compression. A strap wrench can be used, but we recommend installing the filter with the appropriate installation tool torqued to 7.3 foot-pounds. Also, make sure the mating surfaces are cleaned and not damaged. This will ensure a tight seal. We hope you found these Premium Guard tech tips helpful. We appreciate your business, and we'll see you next time.